News this evening. Don't rush it. JTA and opposition caution Education Ministry about more face-to-face classes next week. Details to come. Education Minister to outline back-to-school plan amidst growing concerns. And lurking COVID dangers. TVJ News explores the limited effect of some COVID protocols in high-trafficked establishments. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you feel comfortable sending your children to school on Monday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.